Our digestive health can have a major impact on how we feel every day, but many people don't think about it until something seems off. Joining us now is gastroenterologist Dr. Housein Wazaz with Midstate Gastroenterology Specialists to discuss some common concerns, symptoms to watch for, and ways to support better overall health. Doctor, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you, Natasha.
So let's talk about gut and liver inflammation. What are the major symptoms that people should be looking out for?
Gut and liver inflammation is a common disorder, and it has a spectrum. So some people have minor symptom, including they feel fatigue, they have abdominal pain, they feel nausea, they have low stool, they feel sluggish, they may gain some weight. And when it becomes a full disease state, then the disease manifests itself as colitis, which is inflammation of the colon, Crohn, inflammation of the entire GI tract, or fatty liver with liver fibrosis, and the ultimate stage is liver cirrhosis.
Now, at what point for people experiencing these symptoms should they go to a doctor and get help?
I think is if the patient GI symptoms get worse or become daily occurrence, interfere with daily life, if they have warning sign, if they start seeing blood in the stool, they have a weight loss, or unintentional, they gain a lot of weight and they feel gassy and bloated and they feel just not digesting the food, which is a common concern. Patient tell us, I feel not digesting the food. And that could be a sign of malfunction of the GI tract, which start as an inflammation, and chronic inflammation of the gut can cause a lot of, health concern and health problem down the line. So you need to be diagnosed and treated early.
Okay, very good to know. Now, in terms of causes, what does cause inflammation of the liver, doctor?
Inflammation of the liver can cause a lot of things. It can cause by diabetes, weight gain, alcohol, and infection or viruses. So there's a lot of things in the environment can cause us, but rapid weight gain, alcoholic liver disease, or poorly controlled diabetes is the most common factors.
And you say that fatty liver is becoming increasingly common. What's the biggest risk factors for this, and why is early detection so important?
Fatty liver is common because, as you know, we have an epidemic, unfortunately, of diabetes and weight and obesity. So that's one of the things that we have to worry about it. And, early diagnosis is important because we're going to prevent the liver from getting inflamed, which we have a new name for it, which is called MASH, metabolic associated steatohepatitis, when the fat in the liver causing inflammation, which causes scarring in the liver, increase risk of other problems, including liver cirrhosis, and can affect your metabolism overall. People feel sluggish, fatigue. They feel they can lose weight, their immune system, they get more infection because the liver has a lot of function, including controlling metabolism and immunity.
Okay, now let's talk about how to make improvements. Any lifestyle changes that you recommend to people to reduce inflammation, improve digestive health, and of course go over with us the importance of detection, early screenings, things like that.
The lifestyle modification, we have to keep our weight in check. We have to eat a healthy, balanced diet, stay away from processed food. And we have to have a physically active lifestyle, including, daily exercises, exposure to fresh air. And basically, we have to worry about the thing we put in our body. As they say, garbage in, garbage out. I think you have to be able to discern what you're eating, and you be more self-aware of the stuff you put in your body because it has a lot of health consequences.
Okay, doctor. And of course, early detection, things like that, they can come and visit you at Midstate Gastroenterology Specialists, correct?
Yes, we can. We have an array of tests we can check for the health of the GI tract. We can run invasive, non-invasive testing, and we can find the right information, and hopefully put you on the right track and get you to a better, health gut.
Wonderful. Well, Midstate Gastro CT, that is the website. And of course, we will link to it over on our website, WTNH.com. Doctor, thank you very much.